A real-life nightmare for an El Paso woman. Now, I will warn you, the details of this story are very gruesome. Ana Cardenas says she woke up to blood dripping on her from the ceiling fan in her apartment. She described the horror to KTSM TV. She says she woke up around 4 in the morning to what she thought was rain. Instead, the sound was actually blood splattered all over her body, the bed, the walls of her apartment. Firefighters arrived and knocked down the door to the apartment above Cardenas to find a body decomposing right above where her ceiling fan was, and the blood was dripping through it onto the ceiling fan, which she left on before she went to bed. According to police, Cardenas' upstairs neighbor died from natural causes 5 to 6 days earlier, and the body was decomposing. Katie Johnston for CBSN DFW.